Puppet.
Hello.
How are you this week?
Oh, pretty good. It's summer. Time to catch up on all my summer projects.
Ooh, what summer projects do you have? You want to share?
Oh, mostly just catching up on old TV shows. But me kind of a snob. You know, me only watch the good stuff. Like that old Terminator show on Fox, Walker, Texas Ranger, my favorite, Renegade.
Puppet. Puppet, that's fascinating. And those are some dark subject matters. You're only 7.
Well, there's a lot of fighting in those shows, but me really watch that Lorenzo Lamas guy. He's like 18 feet tall. He's got those really long legs, kicking in slow motion. It's kind of funny. Kind of comedy. It's pretty violent, but, kind of funny.
It's tongue-in-cheek. It's actually entertaining, so... But, I'm glad that you've got that to do for summer.
Thank you.
And summer also brings barbecues.
Oh.
Sangrias.
Oh, let me hear about that. But
it's delightful.
Sangria.
And
we just met a girl named Sangria. Go ahead. Keep going.
Puppet. So today I thought we'd share with everyone a recipe for summer sangria.
Okay.
Now, this summer sangria is going to be made with stone fruit.
Yeah.
And you know what a stone fruit is? Look.
No. My Aunt Bessie has stones. She got a stone collection. She makes them with her kidneys.
Puppet.
Keep going.
Puppet.
Keep going.
A stone fruit is much like a peach or a plum. There's a stone in the middle of it. It grows around it. That is a stone
brain.
fruit. Little brain.
Yeah.
Little brain.
Yeah.
It does look like a little brain. So that is a stone fruit.
Okay.
So this sangria is super simple.
Yeah.
It has summer stone fruit, peaches. I've got a white nectarine, a white peach, sweet cherries.
Yeah. We love sweet cherries.
Oh, they are delicious.
Yeah.
A plum, a dark red plum, and then the three tablespoons of peach liqueur.
Tablespoons?
Yeah, well, it's supposed to be, but
okay.
we needed a little bit more today.
That smells like something you put on pancakes.
It smells delicious. Syrupy, sweet, peachy.
Like peach syrup or, blueberry syrup. You ever had blueberry syrup on pancakes?
I have. It's quite delicious.
Okay, keep moving.
Ginger ale, and then a Sauvignon Blanc. And you can use any white wine. We're using a Sauvignon Blanc. Anything that is light and fluffy.
That a little out of
light
my territory. Me only 7, so
What does light and fluffy mean?
I don't know.
Anything that's white and crisp.
Okay.
Okay. So
is that what you meant to say? White and crisp, not
yes.
white and fluffy.
White and crisp is what I meant to say.
Orange and fluffy.
You are orange and fluffy.
Confusing you, throwing you off today. Keep going.
Okay, so let's begin.
My charm overwhelms people.
Keep
going.
Your charm does overwhelm people. So what we're going to do is it's just the simple, Puppet. You put in all of your fruit.
Oh, yeah.
Put in all of the fruit. Dump that in like that.
Dump it.
Now, sometimes you can put in the ice first, but for demonstration purposes, we put the ice in first.
Okay.
Then you put in all of your sweet cherries.
Put the ice in last sometimes?
Be sure to pitch your cherries because your guests are going to try. The best part of a sangria is the booze soaks up the fruit.
Yeah, you don't want people choking on stones.
No, or chipping a tooth. And then the pear, the plums all go in. You got all that. Loud. Sorry about that. And then you dump in, dump in the liquid.
Whoa.
Peach liqueur goes in. And then you pour in the wine.
Whoa.
Look at that.
How much?
You can use the whole bottle.
Wow.
Today seems to be a whole bottle day.
Yeah. Wow, one of those kind of weeks.
Yep.
Okay.
Well, no, you know what?
Keep going.
Let's dump it all in.
Make it for real.
Let's dump it all in.
Wow.
Whoa. Look at that.
Whoa. Splashing on my fur.
Sorry, Puppet.
Thanks.
And then for the effervescence, listen to that. We're going to put in 4 cups of ginger ale.
Oh, ginger ale.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, me like ginger ale. Kind of like alcohol for kids.
Look at that. So, what you're going to do once that's in is see how delicious that is. You're going to stir it up.
Smells really good.
Smells good.
Wow.
Smells good. Now, what
look at that.
I know. Look at this.
That old ladle.
So what you want to do is stir that up.
Around.
Stir that around. See?
Yeah. Ooh,
and then
Whoa.
look at
This looks like Jar from Frankenstein movie.
It really is.
Yeah, there should be a brain in there.
So what you should do is put this in your fridge for an hour.
Okay.
Now, you could put the fruit in overnight with the syrup so it marinates, and then just put in the ginger ale and wine and next day whenever you're ready to serve. Okay. And then just get a ladle, pour it in your prepared glass. Look at that.
Get a little ladle.
Look at that.
Sing and make everything better. Get
and then
ladle.
You can garnish it.
Uh-oh.
Garnish it. Right?
Yeah.
Garnish
Can't drink it because there's alcohol in there,
well,
but you know,
no, but
I like the idea.
Look, so it sits there.
Yep.
My fingers, and you can garnish it.
Yeah.
And it's a summer sangria. Now, again, the best part of the sangria
that ladle in your face.
Nope. The best part of the sangria is that you eat the fruit because it's marinated with the booze. Okay. That's what sneaks up on people.
Oh.
It's the boozy fruit that sneaks up. You're sitting outside, it's hot, you're eating that fruit.
So you're saying if you live farther from your home, so far you can't just drive a golf cart home, maybe you should call an Uber.
Maybe you should call an Uber.
Okay.
Very responsible.
Thank you.
So that's it, our summer sangria recipe. We hope everyone enjoys it.
Yeah.
Recipes, if they're, you know what, it's really to taste. The recipes, you know where they are.
Gotta put it up on the page.
On the page, in the community section, wherever you want it.
Comments.
We're there.
Yeah.
This is it. Summer sangria with stone fruit.
Always summer. Everything better, by the way. We have a new song too.
What is it?
Everything better when puppet go to dinner. That's all. That's all we got. You like it?
I love it, Puppet.
Thank you.
I love it.
Yeah, be a songwriter too. We have many talents.
Puppet, let's thank everyone.
Okay. Thank you.
Let's thank everyone.
Thank you.
And
subscribe. Yes. Please hit the subscribe button, likes button, make comments, all those funny things that big math thing on YouTube use to make more people look at us. That's all. Won't cost you anything. You know, it's whatever.
All right.
Okay.
I think we've taken enough of their time. Let's say goodbye. Goodbye. And we'll see you next week. Enjoy summer.
Goodbye. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.